Assalamu alaikum. This is Seba from The Bite of Delight. Welcome to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. Thank you very much for the support you've shown me while I was away all this time. I really can't find words to thank you or describe what you've done for me. I think I love you is the least I can say. So I love you. I got today's recipe from an Instagram page called Kitchen Keys. I tried it and I think it's delicious and it's worth sharing with you guys. So let's get started and make this delicious lentil freaky salad. First, I'm going to start by preparing the dressing. So I will add a quarter a cup of olive oil to this very big bowl and 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and salt to taste. I will mix everything together and then add the rest of the ingredients, which are 2 large tomatoes cut into small cubes, 3 small cucumbers cut into small cubes or 1 medium-sized cucumber, 1/3 cup of red capsicum, 1/4 a cup of spring onions, 3/4 a cup of finely chopped parsley, 1/4 a cup of finely chopped fresh mint, 1 cup of cooked brown lentils, 1 cup of cooked freekeh, and that's it. Mix everything together well, serve, and enjoy. It's very, very mouth-watering. It's nutritious. It's full of color and flavor. I wish you can taste it right now. So please try to give it a shot and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Thank you very much again for the love I felt from you guys all these past years. Thank you for being there for me all the time. I really, really love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.